Hello guys, as you can probably tell, my E36 325 is right behind me, and today I'm going to tell you what's going on with that car. I've not been giving this a lot of attention, especially not in the summer of 2019 because I bought my E46, but in 2018 I used it a lot, so hopefully this year I will use it a lot, and because I really love that cabriolet. I love the feeling of driving a straight six convertible with a manual transmission. It's so, and a rear wheel drive, of course. But today we're going to be talking about what is going on with this car.
Okay, so as you clearly can see, this is not the same place as I have stored my E46 M3, and the reason that is because I simply don't have the room, because I only have space for one car in that warm, nice garage, and of course I will like my M3 to sit there and have a good time and not get filthy and dirty like this. So this was the not only solution, but the cheapest and best solution I could find before winter, and that was to put it here instead of just being like fully outdoors. It at least has a little bit of roof right here, and but like the owner of this place has put up a sign right there saying that this could maybe like fall down on the car at any minute. So I am, it's dirt cheap. This place is dirt cheap because of the danger of this actually going down. So it was just a last minute solution for me, and so I have actually not started the car now for, it's the mid of February, and I probably put the car here in, I don't know, September? Yeah, in the beginning of the winter, so when it started getting cold. So in this episode I will try start it up and actually take it for it does not have plates on right now, so I will not drive it on the public road, but it is some private roads right behind me here, so I'll try and just take it for a little spin, because the brakes and a lot of stuff is like really bad. Take a look at this. Let me see. Take a look at this. That's not good. So I want to drive. It's not bad either. The brakes are good, but it's just rusted because of it's been standing for so long. So first I'm going to check the coolant level and the oil level. The coolant level should be good. Actually, the coolant level was kind of leaking at some point last year, but I changed the radiator right before I stored it, so it should be no problem now. So now I want to check the coolant and the oil, and let's see if it even has power. I have not disconnected the battery, so it could be out of power. Who knows? But I brought some cables. And just in case it is out of power, I cannot unlock it for some reason. I always let the hood latch stay open, so I can just do like this. I will just remove this thing. Woo! Oh, that engine is seriously so big, it's so long. Oh, that's straight six, I like it. And I forgot, I got some new adaptable or adjustable coilovers on it as well last season. I totally forgot about that. Cool. Yeah, I'm so excited to drive this again. I think this will be really nice. But now let's, like I said, check the oil and the coolants. No, it's okay, because the engine is not been running for a little while, so we can see if when I drive it for a little bit if it races, but it's not that bad actually up in here. You can't see, but it's not that bad. It is coolant in here, and it was water, not frozen water, coolant. I've of course been using coolant because this has been standing outside for a very long time. And now the oil. If that's not good, I do not seriously know what is. It's exactly at like 99% or something. So that's good. It has oil. That's very good.
Okay, now the exciting moment is to see if it actually will start. I assume it will be out of power, but if it isn't, that will be perfect. Then you know the car is not draining like any electricity, not like at all. So let's see. Because it has been sitting now for almost 6 months, I think, like half a year basically. So now let's see if it starts. Yeah, it was too good to be true. It will not start. So, jumper cables next.
Oh yeah, it fired. Again. All respects to this beater of a car that I have, which restores the life of also not only my E36 M3 but also my 325. Great. I mean, this car's a beast. It has revived 2 lives now.
We are ready. This car has not been moving for very long. It's very tight. Sunlight.
Hello there, baby girl. Looking good. I have really missed the rear end of a 2-door E36. I mean, it can't compare to the compact. Or can it? I don't know. What do you guys think? Kidding, this looks way better. Now the hard top is on. I will of course get that off later when I will actually get plates on this car. That MTech 2 steering wheel looks so good. I don't have any words. It's so good looking. And with that shorter gear knob I got also late summer last year. I like this car a lot. Woo! Oh my god. It is looking beasts. It's looking so good. Wow. Oh, let's do a few revs and a few pulls. I just check if the engine has been getting any warmer. Yeah, that looks very good. Engine is actually good temperature now. So yeah, let's give it some revs.
First revs in like 6 months, so expect water, a lot of stuff coming out of the exhaust and probably a lot of smoke as well, but nothing is wrong with the car, I hope. But yeah, I assume now with the first revs, there will be a lot of stuff coming out. I don't know. But the engine is warm. Let's hear how that mighty straight 6 sounds. Sooner than I thought, to be honest, because this is just too good. It is the mid of February now. Maybe I will get them in the beginning of March. I don't know. It would be kind of fun to drive this again, but I am very worried about the salt. It is okay though to drive on these roads I'm driving on right now, because those are like private back roads and there is not been salted anything right here. good feeling. This car means so much to me, you have no idea. I've never owned a car as long as I have with this one. I seriously owned this for over 2 years now. Never have I owned a car for that long. Very sad, but it is time to put this back into the storage again. I am not comfortable about that. I really want to just drive this home now, but it's too early. It is too early because it is still salt on the roads, but there has been a terrible winter this year, not very cold or not much snow. So I mean, I could take the plates out now and just insure it and get the plates, but it also could be a very bad idea because if there may come some snow, then it's not good to drive this car. So it's not a good idea. There is something wrong with the window. I have not fixed that ever, so I don't know what it is. But sometimes I need to tap it twice. Let's not focus on the negative, just think positive.
That was way too much fun, and that was just like two solid pulls or something, and it was so much fun. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to getting this out on the road, get it insured and get those plates on so I can legally drive it on the road. And I did last year put it through MOT, so this is road legal for 2 more, or now this year it's 1 more year, but this summer I don't have to worry about the MOT, so that's really nice. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the episode. Please leave a like on the video and subscribe with notification if you're not doing that already. And yeah, I hope you're excited to see more of this in the future, because I am very excited to put plates on this and start driving it. Like I said, maybe if I'm too tempted, I will put plates on this early March. I don't know, or I don't know. But the winter has been terrible, so if it does not get any colder pretty soon, I would then declare springtime is here and put plates on it. And I will put plates on this first and maybe wait a little bit and then put plates on my M3. But yeah, I am really looking forward to driving that as well. But cabriolet is really something special. So yeah, anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you're having a fantastic day, and let's see each other in the next video. Goodbye.